Hello. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to start a YouTube channel. Also at the end of the video I am going to show you a secret software that will help you throughout the process. Let's start. 1. Find your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial when starting a YouTube channel. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and have knowledge or expertise in. Consider your interests, skills, and what you enjoy creating content about. It could be anything from cooking and fitness to software reviews or travel vlogs. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your interests and has an audience that you can engage with. 2. Research your audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's essential to research your target audience. Understand who they are, what they like, their preferences, and what type of content resonates with them. Use tools like YouTube Analytics, Google Trends, and social media platforms to gather insights into audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. This information will help you tailor your content to better meet the needs and preferences of your audience. 3. Develop a content strategy. A solid content strategy is the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. Plan your content in advance, including video ideas, topics, formats, and publishing schedule. Consistency is key, so aim to upload content regularly and maintain a consistent style and tone across your videos. Consider creating a content calendar to stay organized and ensure a steady flow of engaging content for your audience. 4. Create compelling thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles play a significant role in attracting viewers to your videos. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content and pique viewers' curiosity. Use high-quality images, bold text, and contrasting colors to make your thumbnails stand out in search results and suggested videos. Similarly, craft compelling titles that are clear, concise, and include relevant keywords to improve visibility and click-through rates. 5. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for increasing your video's visibility and ranking in YouTube search results. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords and phrases for your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, tags, and transcripts to improve discoverability and reach a broader audience. 6. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal audience and maintaining engagement on your YouTube channel. Stick to a regular upload schedule that your audience can rely on, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Consistent branding, style, and quality across your videos also help reinforce your channel's identity and make it more recognizable to viewers. 7. Engage with your audience. Engagement forms the foundation of a great YouTube community. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel by asking questions, soliciting feedback, and responding to comments and messages. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, and polls to interact with your audience in real time and foster a sense of connection and community. 8. Collaborate and network. Collaborating with other YouTubers and creators is a great way to expand your reach and attract new viewers. Reach out to creators in your niche or related niches for collaboration opportunities such as guest appearances, collab videos, or shoutouts. Networking with fellow creators also allows you to share insights, learn from each other, and build valuable relationships within the YouTube community. 9. Analyze and adapt. Regularly monitor and analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics and other tracking tools. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, views, engagement, click-through rates, and audience retention to identify trends, strengths, and areas for improvement. Use this data to refine your content strategy, optimize your videos, and adapt to changing audience preferences and trends. 10. Copyright considerations. Respect copyright laws and guidelines when creating and uploading content to your YouTube channel. Avoid using copyrighted material such as music, images, or videos without proper permission, licensing, or attribution. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's copyright policies, fair use principles, and content ID system to avoid copyright strikes, claims, or penalties that could impact your channel's growth and reputation. This software is used by successful YouTubers to get their videos to rank very quickly on YouTube. For more information, visit the link in the description.